We begin with the latest from Abuja, where the FCT High Court sitting in Maitama has remanded the former Accountant General of the Federation, Ahmed Idris, and two others at the Kuje Correctional Center. This was after the trio were arraigned by the EFCC and pleaded not guilty to a 14-count charge of stealing and criminal breach of trust to the tune of 109.4 billion naira. Judiciary correspondent Celestina Naira has details in this report.
I understand the charge read to me, and I am not guilty. This was the response of the former Accountant General of the Federation, as the registrar of the court read out a 14-count charge to him. His co-accused Godfrey Akindele and Mohammed Usman also pleaded not guilty, while a plea of not guilty was entered for Gezawa Commodity Markets and Exchange Limited, being a corporate entity. Although a bail application has been filed and served on the prosecution, counsel to Mr. Idris Chris Uche prayed the court to allow the defendants to continue enjoying the administrative bail granted them by the EFCC. Prosecuting counsel ROTIMI Jacobs opposed the bail plea made by the defendants' counsel. He prayed the court to remand the defendants and allowed them at a later date argue a proper bail application which Mr. Uche has filed and not an oral application. Delivering ruling, Justice Adeyemi Ajayi held that the court is not a puppet dancing to the rhythm of public opinion. She noted that the defendant's counsel has already filed a bail application in accordance with the law and should allow the prosecuting counsel respond. She ordered that the defendants be remanded in Kuje Correctional Facility pending a hearing of the bail application. In the course of reading out the charges to the defendants, the name of the permanent secretary of the Ministry of Finance was removed from the charge.
I want to know what happens in the hair. You need somebody there to come and testify. So, because we want to know the theory of the case, we want to know what happened in the hair, then we need a witness in that hair to come and testify.
Contained in the charges are quite different from what was dished out to the media. Because in the media, it has been all over the place that the man collected billions of naira from the treasury. But what we have seen shows that the contents of the book are quite different from the title of the book.
In May 2022, Mr. Idris was apprehended in Kano following his refusal to honor the EFCC's invitation concerning an alleged fraud investigation. Subsequently, the Minister of Finance, Zainab Ahmed, informed Mr. Idris of his suspension without pay in a letter dated 18th May. The court adjourned to 27th July. Celestina Naira, TVC News.